Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at Microsoft Excel and templates. And what does that actually mean in Microsoft Excel? What are templates? And did you know that there are some really handy templates in Excel that you can use right off the bat to help you with certain things like budgets and stuff? Yes, you're going to need to learn budgeting soon, guys. I promise you. So have a look. Here I have Microsoft Excel. I have a blank workbook open, but that's not going to help me because I can't do anything there. So I'm going to go to File and New. And you'll notice, okay, instead of down under new, I'm going to just scroll down just a little bit there. And it says search for online templates. So you need to be online for this. But you will notice that it does have a couple of things already there. So let's just see what we have. We have a student schedule. That's pretty cool. Let's check that out. Okay, student schedule. I'm going to click on that. Right, it tells you what it is, how big it is in file size. It gives you a little preview there. Click on create. Oh my goodness, that is super cool, dudes. Wow. Okay, so there you see, this is like a class schedule, and it's not like what we would use here. Saturday. Oh, school on Saturdays. Okay, no. Moving on. So, what is it? This basically means that instead of you having to design everything yourself and put things in and drop downs and stuff like that and filters and whatever, it has done all that for you, and so you can just use the existing template for yourself, which is actually very nice. So that's one of them. Let's have a look. Oh, I just closed Excel. Sorry, dude. Let's open you up. Oh, it opens up on the other screen all the time. Okay, here we go. So let's have a look and see what else can we do. Here's a handy one. Okay, here's a handy one. So File, New, and you can actually search for a certain and a budget. That's a good one because that's a very practical one. So let's see what if I click on budgets. It's searching thousands of online templates. Here we have all kinds of budgets. And guys, learning how to budget is probably one of the most important things you can do, even while you're in school. Not a wedding expenses budget though. Not while you're in school. Stay in school, kids. Monthly food budget, college income, small business, travel expense, party planner, and checklist. Guys, grade 12s. Grade 12s, your Pat, planning a party planner and checklist. There's a template right there. There's a nice one. That's for grade 12s. Okay. General ledger, website budget. Personal budget. Let's have a look at that. Let's see. Personal budget. Okay. Create. And look at that. Wow. Summary is there. That's pretty darn cool. Monthly income. You put in your income. Who's earning dollars these days? Not me. Monthly expenses. Put in all your expenses. Monthly savings. And then it does a summary. So guys, I'll just minimize this there so we can have some space. So guys, as you can see, in terms of templates, you have all kinds of templates. If you're looking for a specific kind of template, I mean, what would you look for? Timesheets. Timesheets is a good one. Timesheet. Let's search. So like you log your time. If you're doing work for somebody and very nice. There's one there. Not the greatest colors, but anyway, there's a timesheet there. The date, the time in, when you had your lunch. They don't pay you for lunch. Lunch end, time out, hours worked. There you go. So guys, File, New, and you can search for a particular type of budget, or you can see what appears down here, okay, automatically, or you can click on one of these suggested searches as well. Let's see what personal is. And that's how easy it is to use to use templates in Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and have a look and see what you can find.